Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the slim optical drive, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover and lift the cover off the tower. Identify the optical drive and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and slide the drive out of the system. To reinstall the slim optical drive, relatch it to the system and reconnect the cables. Secure the side cover of the tower with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.